welcome again to Group 4 presentation. Today we will talk about 3 environmental quality indices. Next slide. The context of this presentation are about definition, domains, steps, and uses of EQI. Next, EQI is an indicator of environmental management that can be used to assess the performance of environmental quality improvement programs. EQI can also be used as information material to support the policy-making process related to environmental protection and management.
Next is about the domains of EQI. The Environmental Quality Index or EQI represents 5 areas called domains of the environment, which consist of air, water, land, built, and socio-demographic environments to provide a county-by-county snapshot of overall environmental quality across the entire U.S.
Now let's talk about what are 3 major environmental quality index. The first one is air. Air pollution is one of the problems faced by several cities in the world and Indonesia. Air quality index is a measure used to assess air pollution in an area. The higher the air quality index value, the higher the level of air pollution and the higher the health risk. 3 data categories was considered. The first one is monitoring data, the second is emissions data, and the third is modeled estimates representing concentrations of either criteria air pollutants or hazardous air pollutants toxins.
Second is wet water. Water Quality Index or WQI is considered as the most effective method of measuring water quality. A number of water quality parameters are included in a mathematical equation to rate water quality, determining the sustainability of water for drinking. Water Pollution Index information can also be used to improve the quality of water bodies in the event of decrease in quality due to the presence of pollutant compounds. WQI methods follows 3 steps. First step is selection of parameter, and then determination of quality function for each parameter, and then aggregation through mathematical equation.
The last one is land. Land quality index is used to comprehensively reflect changes in land resources and related ecological environments. Land demanded resources are grouped into 4 categories. The first one is agriculture, the second is industry, facilities, and the third is geology, and the last one is land cover.
Next, the steps of EQI are: first, the 5 domains were identified; second, data for each of the 5 domains were located and reviewed; third, environmental variables were developed from the data sources; and fourth, data were combined in each of the environmental domains. Then these domain indices were used to create the overall EQI. The approach to creating the EQI is outlined, so others can repeat the steps for their own unique areas of interest.
The last part is the use of the Environmental Quality Index. The EQI was designed to be used into 2 main ways. The first one to represent environmental quality in research designed to assess the relationship between environmental quality and human health outcomes. The second one as a variable to account for surrounding conditions for researchers interested in a specific environmental exposure and human health outcomes. The EQI was developed to help understand which domains contribute the most to the overall environment, and other uses of the data are expected by different uses such as local, country, state, and federal governments, non-governmental organizations, and academic institutions. Okay, that's all for today's presentation. Thank you for watching and your attention. Have a nice day.